Watch the full video because I'm excited for last 3 products which are amazing. Namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mona. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, we are going to review one of the brands which is called Moody. So if you are interested in these kind of videos, keep on watching. Without any further delay, let's get started. We have these many products to review. So I'm not here without any idea of that product. I have used this and I have my own insights on these products. So without any further delay, let's start with our first item, which is toner. Moody 7D Hydro Burst Moisturizer Magnet Essence Face Mist. Hyaluronic, which contains hyaluronic acid and coconut water. This smells divine. I like the fragrance of this. However, you can see I bought these 3 products together last year, and you can still see this bottle is almost full. I used for a couple of weeks, and I don't know whether it is comedogenic product or no, but this retails for rupees 375, and this didn't suit my skin, which didn't worsen my skin as well, but I was getting that small pussy pimples, but still I never get that. I have acne concerns but not pimples. So yeah, try after doing patch test. If I tell some products are too good for my skin, it doesn't have to be good for you. So please always do your research on your skin type. I have combination skin, combination acne prone sensitive skin. So if you are having my skin type, then it might suit, or any product for that matter, not just this. So please do the patch test, and I leave all the links in the description box down below, so please check that as well. Moving on, I don't recommend this product. However, I like the fragrance of this toner. It feels you're in Maldives or somewhere. Let's move on to our second product, which is this sunscreen. Same variant as the mist. Moody 7D Hydro Burst Hybrid Water Sunscreen. This is water based. SPF 50 PA triple plus. This also contains hyaluronic acid and coconut water. This sunscreen is lightweight. You can see I only have this much. I'll tell you the story where I started using this last year, and I tried my best to work with this sunscreen because I have 2 cult favorite sunscreen for me, which suits my skin and it makes my skin so good. I only have 2. Apart from that, none of the sunscreens work. I mean, I've tried 4 to 5 brands which is not working for my skin. So this is one of that. And I tried because I wanted to try something new in sunscreen, but I tried with this but it didn't work. You might have seen me using this sunscreen with body lotion and making it as a body screen. So yeah, I'm using this sunscreen for that. But the texture and the formula is so good, which don't leave white cast. I feel the formula is fine. Maybe this is because of hyaluronic acid, as I've already discussed in my product empties video. Hyaluronic acid doesn't suit my skin, which gives me pimple. So at least this didn't give me pimple, but I didn't like how it felt on my skin. So I stopped using it on my face. So I started using it as body screen. So yeah, I'm happy because I can use it as body screen and finish it off so that I don't waste my money. I paid 600 for this sunscreen. So yeah, I think this is good sunscreen. Try, it might help you. They also have 2 more variants in this, so check that out as well. Recommend this product? I am on the fence about this product. You can try if hyaluronic acid suits your skin, is what I can say, because the formulation of this sunscreen looks fine. Next up we have lip oil, 3D Hydroburst like serum, which also contains hyaluronic acid and coconut water. First of all, I didn't like the packaging. You will see in the upcoming video snippet, this is already hard. It's like coconut oil. If you keep coconut oil, maybe it's because of the cold weather, or I don't know why. This is hard. I don't like the smell of this. I don't like the texture which gives me on my lips. I don't like how it tastes when I apply. Like, it gave me dark lips. My lips are very sensitive. If I use the products which has fragrance, gives me that dark lips. So this gave me that. I'm thinking to use it as a cuticle oil, if that makes sense. But it's already hard. I don't know. Even it's been a year since I bought this. So I've not used this. It's almost full. Recommend this product? No, I don't. So our next product is, this product is Moody's Acne Expert Overnight Spot Correction Pen. I don't get pimples. It's not, I don't know why I got it. It was pea size, and this pimple here, it was there. So I have dark spots because of that pimple. But this, I'm telling you, this is the holy grail of pimple removal. Of course, as it was pea-sized pimple, it took more than a week. I just wanted something which is specifically targeting the area of the pimple. This really helped me. So if the pimple is new, if it is fresh, like 1 or 2 days pimple, then overnight, I'm telling you, next morning you don't see that pimple. And if the pimple is new, of course, if you're treating your pimple in its early stage, that don't leave dark spots. I love this product. I think in the Moody, I'm telling this, I'm 100% recommending this product. I am loving this product. It's so good, and the packaging also, I like the packaging. You know, you twist it and the product comes out, and this is silicone tip, so that when you apply this don't irritate your pimple. We just saw pimple corrector, and what else comes next? Of course, if the pimple is not new, we get dark spots, right? For that, I got you covered, where we also have Acne Expert Blemish Fading Pen. It contains tranexamic and kojic acid, which is 10 ml bottle. The packaging is exactly like pimple corrector and transparent. You already know that salicylic acid shrinks or dries out your pimple. How it comes? Either it will come as face wash, or as serum, or as cream. And then for dark spots, we can use niacinamide. How does it come? As a toner, as a moisturizer, or as a serum, or as a sunscreen. So I wanted a product which only concern affected area. So I didn't want to try any other product. I'm using this from past 15 days. As I already know, dark spots take more time to fade. I'm not complaining this product. I still have dark spots. I could see 10 to 20% improvement. So I 100% recommend this product. Next product is this. This is Insta Matte Oil Absorbing Volcanic Roller, which can be used up to 180 applications, which can be used 180 times. And guess what? So we have applied makeup and I'm sweating. So either we use tissue, and even not all the blotting papers will help you. Just absorbing oil and leaving the makeup intact. No, not every product do that. So we have this product. You might have seen the viral volcanic roller, which absorbs just oil and keep the makeup intact. So it comes in handy when you are having a big day, or when you are having a long day attending functions or events or office. You can use this. I think this product is so good, and yes, this comes in handy. I recommend this product. This brings us to an end of the video. If you have made it till here, please leave white heart in the comment box. Hope you like this video. If so, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. All the good things you can do to support me. Until next time, stick around. Bye.